Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Buttercup from the Powerpuff Girls. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the shape of the head with a large sideways oval. Next, let's move inside and add the hair. In the center at the top here, let's draw an upside down V shape. Then for the ends, let's curve it down to the sides. Now let's hop on the sides and continue drawing the hair by drawing a curve out on both sides like this. Then for the ends, let's curve it back in to the side of the head. Next, let's color the sections of the hair in black. And that's it for the hair. Next, let's move in and draw the eyes. Inside the head on the left, let's draw a large circular curve like this. And the same thing on the right. Now inside towards the center, let's draw another large circle. And now inside each of these circles, let's draw another one in the center. And now let's color both of the rings in black. And lastly, for the eyes, let's add another curve inside like this. And that's it for the eyes. Next, let's move underneath and draw the mouth. Underneath the eyes in the center here, let's draw a U-shaped curve. And that's it for the head. Next, let's move down and draw the body. Let's start under the head and draw two diagonal lines down. And now connect them at the bottom with a line across. Now let's move inside and draw two horizontal lines near the top. And then let's color the stripe in black. Now let's hop on the left side and draw the arms. We'll start with the curve down and then bring it up. And the same on the right side. And that's it for the arms. Next, let's move down and draw the legs. Let's start underneath in the center and let's draw a line down. The same thing on the left now, and on the right. Now let's close off the bottom of each one with a curve. Next, let's hop inside and draw the shoes. Inside the bottom of each foot, let's draw a curve across. And now let's color them both in black. And lastly, on top of each shoe, let's draw a line across. And that's it for Buttercup. Now let's quickly color her in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!